Let's get straight into it. 1965 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 Convertible. She has the 400 cubic inch 6.6 liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. She needs paint and body. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. Interior is nice and clean. She has great potential. She has a set of 20-inch US mags. Let's check her out. As I make the complete walk around, I go back and show y'all the fenders and the rockers. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs in the lower doors. Deck lid. As y'all can see, she has good potential. Trunk nice and clean. Interior's in good shape. Mileage reached a little over 82,000. Seats nice and clean. Back seat. Convertible top functions as it should. As y'all can see, mileage reached a little over 82,000. Upper dash. Lower. Let's start her up. Y'all make sure y'all go check her out at rollermuseum.com. Got over 100 detailed photos on her. We have financing available. Running nice and strong. Thank y'all guys for watching. Y'all have a good one. Stay tuned for the next one.